am finally going to be opening my Moussy lucky bag I got from Japan. So if you follow me on Instagram, you guys will have seen that I went to Japan for New Year's, and I was walking around shopping on New Year's Day and the 2nd of January, and every store had these massive bags that were zip tied closed, and they were like shouting outside in the front telling you how much it was. It was like $100, $150, $80, whatever. And basically the premise is you spend the $60 to $200 and American dollars, and you get this bag full of clothes that's valued at way more than that. So apparently this is supposed to be valued at like $400, but you have no idea what's inside of it. So there's like size piles. So it's quite popular. They went pretty quick. Like by the 2nd of January when I came, like on my 2nd day of shopping, they were pretty sparse. There was not too much left in sizes where there weren't too many sizes. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up one and give it a try. I guess they only do this once a year, so it was pretty exclusive. But yeah, so they're called lucky bags, and I've watched other YouTubes because I had no idea what the hell this was. Like I was storying it on Instagram and I was like, what the fuck is this? And people were responding to me and they're like, oh my gosh, buy it, it's called whatever, and they're explaining to me. So there is a chance that it's also unlucky and you get really, really bad stuff. Hopefully I didn't get really bad stuff. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to open it for the first time. I don't know what day it'll be by the time this video is posted, but it is currently, I think, the 14th of January. So please be shocked and like impressed that I bought something on the 1st of January and it is the 14th and it's still not open. Like it's zip tied still. I don't know how. Normally I tear shit up. Like I go down to the mailbox and get things and I'm ripping it open on the way back up to my apartment. So let's dig in. Here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh god, pink. 6, 7, 8 things in my Moussy bag. I don't know how to say that word. I think this brand also, you can shop online and there is a store in New York, I believe. So let's go. First up is pink, so I'm thrilled. Oh, that's not bad. I think this is a coat. That's not bad. That's pretty good quality. Well, maybe I have a lucky bag after all. Cute. So it's a baby pink pea coat. Definitely can't wear it in this weather unless I layer. But I'm sure it'll be nice in the spring. Not that I'll keep it because it's pink and I'm allergic to pink.
This is not that bad for something that's pink. It's a baby pink and I think I could actually wear it right now in the winter if I wear like a thick turtleneck, like beige turtleneck color underneath, or like white turtleneck underneath. Not with this black, but I really rock with this. It's kind of cute. Yeah, I think so. I think so. I can get on board with this one. This is a good first surprise piece. And this one is 7,900 yen. So that's 79 US dollars, I believe. So pretty good first piece. Next up, we have some denim. I think they're like famous for their denim. Or popular. Oh, this is cute! Oh, these are friggin' cute. Look at the bottoms. Okay, this is way more of a summer or spring denim and not current weather denim. But I can rock with this. Hopefully this looks nice on and not crazy. That's cute.
Next up, oh, this is the top. Off the shoulder. Is this all spring stuff? I guess this is an off the shoulder top. I gotta take this on. Let's see how this looks on. It does not look nice off. It looks like, I don't really know what that looks like, but not cute.
This is as tragic as it was when I pulled it out of the bag as it is on my body. What the like, it's so unflattering. It's straight down, no shape, and I don't really know what's happening here, and then it's restricting on top of that. Like, I can't lift my arms. It's stupid. I don't even know what to do with this. Like, maybe if you tuck it in or like you tie it up, it'll be cute. I don't know. I really have no idea. This is so ugly. It may be because it's wrinkly. I don't know. It's like almost a school uniform, but not quite. Maybe if you're a little scandalous at school. I don't know. And like, I don't really get this part where you would think it would go right there to the end, so it just starts being white when it cuts open, but it has like a little fold over part. Like, it forgot. Like, they forgot to cut it the whole way. This is tragic. What the hell? So this top was 3,900 yen, which is like $39. Definitely not worth 40 bucks. Weird as hell. I don't know where this is going. I don't even think anybody would want it if I donated it. Jesus. Okay, this is a no. A no for me.
More pick.
So, I mean, this isn't that bad. It looks like a sweater. The quality seems nice. I guess we'll see how it looks on, but it's pink, so... Okay, this is so pink, so girly. I don't know what to do with myself, but this is a really cute, nice sweater. Like, the quality of it isn't good. It's like a lighter material. The cut's nice. Down here it's a little nice. I think I would wear this with a skirt. I mean, if I ever wore it, because it's pink again. But it's nice. I wish they gave me one in a different color. I guess not. I guess not. I could give it away. This was 3,400 yen. This was cheaper than that ugly top. This top was $5 more. That's rude. I would never. And this covers more body. That's just, oh, I can't. Anyways, so yeah, this is really adorable. I like it. If it wasn't so pink and girly. I look so girly right now with my ripped jeans and my pink top. Who am I? Not Reese. But yeah, not bad. Not a bad piece, minus the color. Next up, red. I like red. Oh God. What the fuck? I don't know how I feel about this. This is like a sweater vest, but not enough sweater. Maybe if we stretch it, it'll look better. I don't know how I feel about this. I guess I'll have to try this on. Maybe it'll be amazing though. It might be like really, really amazing summer knitwear, but for right now, I'm not convinced. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like this is a little too short. Maybe if I pull it, or like poorly shaped, or maybe I have to layer it or something. Or maybe if I was wearing shorts. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, like, the knitting's nice. Like, the quality of it looks really nice. It's just like oddly shaped. Well, this one was, where's the tag? 7,800 yen, 7,900 yen. So 80 bucks for this? For reals? I don't think I would spend $80 on this. I would wait for it to go on sale, maybe. Okay, the jeans. So the denim, they're really tight. They're my size, but they're quite tight. There's like a little room for little give left, but like right here, this area is really, really tight. Maybe after some wears, it'll get better, but right now, not that comfy. But they're cute looking, except for they like smush my butt, so there's no butt happening anymore. The bottom details are really adorable. I think this with like a cute pair of pumps or like sandals would be really cute. I'm into these once they stretch a little more. These were 18,000 yen, so they're $180. I mean, they're known for their denim. They had like really, really cute denim when I was there, so I guess it's a little pricier than everything else, but I mean, This top was $80. So yeah, so these aren't bad. I feel like I'm gonna wear them at home a lot so that they stretch out before the spring, before I could wear them and be comfortable in them, like right now. Ugh. But overall, not a bad buy. I don't hate them. I don't hate them at all. And the color's cute. The length is kind of awkward for my legs, but maybe with a pair of heels, it won't look as awkward. Next is floral. Dark floral. I'm just making a mess. What the, oh God, what is this? Where does it start? Oh, it's a blouse. Oh, this is cute, I think. Definitely have to try this on to figure out what it looks like. Oh, okay, yeah, it's definitely a wrap shirt. And I mean, it's a lot of wrapping. You know, where you want me to wrap myself. That's really long. Okay, this is cute. I mean, I like the colors. The arms seem to have some type of ruffle thing going on. We'll see how this looks like on. Okay, I had really high hopes for this one and it did not disappoint. Aside from the fact that it's a little droopy, but I think I can tighten it and it like really exposes the fact that I have zero boobs. It's so cute. I actually wish I had somewhere warm to wear it. You could like wear it super scoop necked like this for my itty bitty titty committee girls. That's sexy. Maybe with like a nice skirt or like nice white pants or something like that. Or I feel like you could wear it off the shoulder too. That really exposes my no titties. Okay, I don't know. I might have lied about this. Oh no, okay, yeah. You could do this. It's just like kind of a mess. That's cute, right? Maybe a minor nip slip. So maybe not entirely off the shoulder, but like mostly, or like super wide shoulder, and then do, yeah, I guess I would do a necklace for this. That's so cute. I really like this. Little steam, little iron, and I'm sure it will look poppin'. You will definitely see this on my feed when it's warm. This was 7,900 yen and worth it. I would buy it for that much. Totally cute, and I love the color. This olive color is perfect for tan skin. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. How about you? Okay. Next, black. I can get on board so far. Oh God. What the? Is this a nightie? Moussy studio wear. Okay, is this a nightie? Oh, it stinks. Oh, you know when you get clothes and it smells like cardboard or like warehouse? That's too much of that. Okay, I don't know really what this is. This might be a blouse. This might be a nightie. I guess we'll find out. I mean, the quality is not bad. It's lace. Okay, this is definitely a nightgown. I didn't know that they had lingerie, sleeping materials, sleeping clothes. But evidently they do, because I would never wear this outside. Plus it passes your butt, so I think it qualifies as a nightgown, right? Right? It's cute, I guess, for nightgown standard. It smells like cardboard box, so that's really good. I need to take this off my body because the smell is a little overwhelming. But yeah, cool. I'm okay with it. I wouldn't buy it, I don't think. But it's not bad for the box, for the bag. It is 6,900 yen, so $69. You know, definitely not $69 worth of lace, for sure. And last piece. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. I thought it was a sweater. It's like a cardigan thing. But this is cute. I mean, looks like it'll be warm. I could probably wear it now. And gray, I like gray, as long as it's not pink. We're cool. All right, let's give this a try. I like this way better on than I did when I pulled it out of the bag. This is me living my best granny life. This is so warm and snuggly. It's so perfect. The material isn't itchy, though it looks like it could be. It's just really snuggly. This is perfect for right now. Pro tip, roll everything up. It makes it look nicer. Even t-shirts look better rolled up. Yeah, I'm really digging this. I like the length, I like how cozy it is, I like the pockets. It's nice and light and cozy. How much was it? Ugh. Oh, 7,900 yen. 79 bucks. And worth it. I likes it. I likes it. Yeah, what do you guys think? This is cute, right? So in total, so the package was worth 645 bucks. I paid 100, and I think it's worth it based on the few items that I really like. So I really loved this. The jeans were cool, except for how tight they are. So when they stretch, they're gonna be perfect. This green top was really nice too. And the pink stuff, though I don't like to admit, because I don't love pink, the jacket was really nice, good material, and the sweater was really nice, good material, except for I don't think I'll ever wear the sweater. But yeah, I think it was worth the 100 bucks. So I definitely got a lucky bag and not an unlucky bag. I would do this again if I'm ever in Japan for New Year's again, hopefully next year, who knows. So if you enjoyed this little unboxing of my surprise package, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you back here next Tuesday for another video.